I thought this was supposed to be about stocks. Where?
What's up, people? Playtime's over. So, whatever you've done in the past means nothing now, right? It's a brand new day. It's a brand new year. This is the most important day of your life, right here. So, do you take New Year's as a day that is a refreshing start to a new life, or do you look at it as just another Wednesday where you had to wake up and go to work? I look at it as a fresh start. I look at it as the greatest day of my life, and it starts today. You know why? Because I'm ready to rock and roll. I've been in all cash, ready to rock, waiting for something to happen. Now, we all knew that they would come to some agreement on the fiscal cliff, but you know what? In about 3.5 weeks, maybe 5.5 weeks, all we're going to be talking about is the debt ceiling. And then there'll be something else, and then there'll be something else. Whether you believe that you can pick stocks to trump all the reasons to not be in the market, this is where your time is now. Your time is now. Come hang out with us, build a portfolio, and in the next 6 months, whoever's leading the charge, you'll get a prize. Here you go. Call of Duty, brand new, sealed. You have to pick, let's go, 7 stocks. You have to give us your entry price in the next, let's say, by the end of the week, and then by the end of June, whoever's leading the charge. No adjustments, just pick 7 stocks and see how you did at the end of the year, at the end of 6 months, and you get a prize. And then again, we'll redo it for the end of the year, and we'll have a bigger and better prize, of course. Plus, we're going to be giving away prizes probably every month. So get to the room right now. The doors are wide open. I think you have the link. Come and hang out with us. It's a free-for-all right now until we get everybody back in and you guys can see what we're doing. Right now, it's buy and hold is back, baby, right? Right? It's so simple to think. Now you could buy stocks. The government's here to protect us again. The debt ceiling is all right. It doesn't matter about the $17 trillion in debt that we're in right now. That's talk for another time. Push it on down the road. Push it on down the road until we figure out what we're going to do now. But listen, let's talk about what's going to happen today. Every day, let's make calls for the day so we can go back and ridicule me just like we ridicule everybody else on TV. I think the market will open up. The Qs right now are at 66.54. I believe this is probably at or near the high of the day already. I'm going to go 66.87 as your high. And if we could break out of here, 67.35 is your high for the day, possibly the week. Do we just rally from here and just go right back to 2012 highs? Who the hell knows? But here's what I own. I own AGQ. Okay, that's the triple or the double ETF, the triple ETF of the SLV. If it's too volatile for you, then you go right to SLV. I like silver for 2013. I like Tesla, TSLA. I like FSLR. I like US Steel. I like MCP. All right, there's a few stocks right there, right off the bat. But right now, what am I doing? Absolutely nothing. Not trading in the first half hour. I might not even do a trade today. As a matter of fact, I might not have to trade for the next 3 days until I see something properly set up. Now, what are the setups that I look for intraday? That's what you're going to have to come and take a look at what we do in the room. There's only 3 things that I like to do during the day. And if those things do not arise, I do not trade. Not great conversation when you're not trading. There's nothing to do. There's nothing to talk about. But what I am going to do is I'm going to be talking about some options. I'm going to be talking about some strategies. And if you think you have an idea, I'll tell you how to implement that. Because right now, there's no reason to get involved in the morning. Now, I know you guys like to short. You want to fade the open. That is a very popular way of trading these huge gap ups. But here's the thing. This could be one of those gaps where it's so big, we gap, we spurt, and then we go sideways and chops you to death. And of course, at the end of the day, somebody comes up to you, oh, you must have had a great day. That market was up like 275. You must have had an awesome day. Meanwhile, you did one short at the beginning of the day. You lost $200, and then you sat around bitching and moaning all day. And some asshole comes up to you at the end of the day thinking that you had a great day just because the market's up. It doesn't work like that. So, at the end of every day, we're going to talk about what we own as the portfolio, because I think 2013 you're going to be safe enough to own some stocks long term, or at least till the end of the year. That's long term. I mean, 3 days is long term for me. And then we want to talk about how to make money intraday. And the intraday stuff I think is going to shrink for now. Remember last year we rallied from January, February, and March? We could do that again. There's a million things that can happen. That's the greatest part. But right now, intraday, not really planning on doing much. Right now, looking to build a portfolio with some stocks that we think can still go up. We still like these Chinese stocks that are coming back. Really like that Sina. Gotta like that Baidu back over 100. But again, nothing right now. Not doing any intraday trading. And the only thing we own is AGQ. And the portfolio, we started building mock portfolios. Officially don't own anything. We sold everything last year. We own nothing. So join us and help build your portfolio, build a community. Come on, hang out with us. You know where to find me. It's right there.